Hey, today let's talk about something we all deal with: our closets. With fashion trends changing all the time, it can feel like we need a whole new wardrobe every season. But guess what? We don't have to play that game. The more clothes we have, the harder it is to decide what to wear. But fear not. I've got a super easy plan to help you simplify your wardrobe and make getting dressed a breeze. Let's dive in. Take a good look at your shopping habits. How much do you spend on clothes each year? And be honest, how often do you actually wear everything in your closet? It's okay, we're all guilty of buying things we don't need sometimes. Clear out the clutter. Yep, it's time to say goodbye to anything you don't absolutely love or need. Trust me, it'll make choosing outfits way easier. Just ask yourself, when did I last wear this? Does it still fit me well? Does it make me feel awesome? Choose quality over quantity. Instead of buying lots of cheap clothes, invest in a few pieces that are really well made and make you feel great. Yeah, they might cost a bit more, but they'll save you money in the long run. Pick your colors. Having clothes in similar shades makes mixing and matching super simple. So choose colors that you love and that look good on you. Easy peasy. Find your style. Figure out what makes you feel confident and comfortable, regardless of what's trendy. When you know your style, you won't feel pressured to buy every new thing that comes out. Keep your wardrobe in check. Every now and then, go through your clothes and get rid of anything you don't wear anymore. It'll keep your closet neat and make getting dressed a breeze. Say no to impulse buys. Before you grab something new, ask yourself if you really need it and if it fits with your minimalist goals. Trust me, it'll save you from a lot of clutter and buyer's remorse. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll have a wardrobe that's perfect for you and your lifestyle. So let's keep it simple, stylish, and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, show some love by liking, sharing, or leaving a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips. Thanks for tuning in.